So how do you turn off the screen on the iPad? Let me explain it, and if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So obviously it kind of depends on what you mean by that specifically and exactly, because there are more things, but let's just jump into it one by one. First of all, if you don't want the screen to be like dimmed, or you just don't like the automatic locking of the iPad, you want to adjust it, whatever, you can go to the settings, tap on the display and brightness, and there is the auto lock feature, which you can change from 2 minutes all the way to 15 minutes, and also choose never, which means that if you want to turn off the screen after 2 minutes or 5, this is how it can be set up. But a lot of people, I believe that what they want is that like they want to enable or get inside an app, for example, a YouTube or a game or something, and they want to disable the screen. So it's going to be like still watchable, but it's not going to react to touch. And if that's the case, if that's the thing that you want, there is a dedicated feature for it, and it's called guided access. You can find it in settings and accessibility, and it should be part of the touch section, I believe. And in here you would be able to go through it, or actually no, it's part of the main accessibility and it's entirely at the bottom. So there's the guided access, and you need to have it enabled like this. You can set up some things too, but then whenever you happen to be inside of an app, you can triple click the side button like this, and it should get you over into the guided access, where you can change the session settings and disable things like touch, meaning that the screen will display stuff but it will not react to touch, or you can disable the keyboard or deleting items or whatever, right? The point is that you can start the guided access and the screen will display stuff, but it will be turned off in the sense that it will not like react to touch. So that's what you can do. I hope that I was able to explain it properly. Let me know about that below in the comments. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.